Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add admin on Facebook page. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. In order to do that, you need to search or switch profile into your actual page. I have in here this page. Head over and click on that page in order to switch to that process profile. Once you have switched for that, you can see this. So head over in here to your three lines. And then from in there, click on this gear icon. Now you can see in here the settings and privacy. Now in here you can change up the page details and as well as a lot of things. For this one, let's use this page setup. Now in here you can see your page status, portfolios, and what you need to do is just click on this page access. Click on view right here and you can see this. Let's add in here another people with Facebook access or task access. So for example, let's click on this task access right here, then click on next, and then just search the people that you want to add for this. So for example, let's add in here TRC, and then from in there you can put in here the manage or the task that they can manage. For example, let's add them on this ads, and then click on give access. And then from in there, you can just enter in here your Facebook profile password in order to confirm that this person should have task access to this page. Once you have added right here a profile password, head over and then just confirm this and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.